Welcome back. My name is Dre. I help men master their journey, and in this video, I'm going to speak of no FAP. What goes beyond it? What's beyond this, this addiction, this crucial moment in most men's life where, look, you gotta understand, not every guy in the world is born amazing with women. He is not born into an amazing sense of self. This is very rare. We must build ourselves every day into an exceptional human being. So what does this consist of, man? Listen, I want you to stay to the end of this video. I want you to pay attention. This is going to be very valuable to you. And if you take this knowledge and fucking run with it, have so much more fun and vitality in your life. Look, man, no FAP. Reprogramming your mind from the compulsive disorder, the addiction to masturbation, porn, all that shit. What happens after that? What happens after that? Well, for one, you have to not get stuck in the mindset of creating this false identity around who you think you are. If you go on any journey and you create an identity about yourself, you will become this person. If you say to yourself, I practice no FAP, therefore I'm a man who doesn't do this and doesn't do that and isn't doing that, that's good, but there comes a point where you have to go beyond that and create a new identity. This is the problem with any addict. In the beginning, they have to go through this first step of creating the identity of the person who does not do this act. Then they have to create an identity of the person who doesn't stop doing this act, who isn't the person constantly quitting or staying away from this or doesn't do these things. You want to become the person beyond that isn't even that anymore. Now, how do you do this? Well, for one, learn to be the authentic you, the absolute positive authentic you through meditation, through work you do on yourself every damn day. That gives you the motivation, gives you the value that you are seeking. And all these benefits from no FAP, which they aren't benefits. If you are in your no FAP journey and you're just trying to reprogram your mind and get to base level and normal, that's the benefit, is just getting normal. Benefits come from semen retention. You cannot think that you're getting benefits from no FAP. It is the stepping stone to becoming normal. When you get there, you then start putting in the building blocks little by little, every damn day, to build the man. You understand, when you begin this journey and you see results of your fitness, your nutrition, your spirituality, and your passion, your purpose in life, when all of this starts getting, coming into play, and you see the benefits, you see what you've done, you're proud of yourself, the value is behind that. Okay? That is where your masculinity starts to rise. You start to begin to cultivate the true man. Now, let's just go straight into semen retention. Say you've reprogrammed your mind, you're beyond no FAP, no problem, doesn't matter to me. How do you know you're beyond no FAP? Because you're not counting the days anymore, for one. Number two, you're not constantly trying to not relapse. You can consistently, over months, go weeks, or maybe even a month. I wouldn't recommend going longer than a month. 30 days is kind of tops. When you learn to meditate, use this energy in the correct, wise way, there's no need. There's no need. Because in the end, it can actually backfire on you if you're not properly using the physical and metaphysical in tandem. I've made other videos about this. Go check them out. When you can consistently, without even thinking about it, go like a week, maybe 2 weeks, and you have women in your life. You're not masturbating. You don't think about it. You have all this other shit going on, and you just do it. And it's just not even a part of your life anymore. Then you're on the next level. You have broken this addiction. You've gone beyond that. Now, say you want to throw semen retention in the mix. We all have it in us to be an exceptional human being. You either go for it, stick with it, you have the discipline, and you go for it and conquer, or you don't. That's what breaks away the normal people from the exceptional people. You just do it or you don't. If you're having trouble just doing it and going, that's another path. Do not try to throw semen retention on top of that thing. That's gonna work, dude. It's gonna make you fucking miserable. And you might even go back into compulsive behaviors of masturbation or porn, or maybe you'll dive into alcohol or drugs. Little by little, every day, tend to your garden of development. Just like I've said in tons of my videos. Your nutrition, your fitness, your spirituality, and your passion in life. If I were to recommend to any person where to start from square one, meditate. Wake up in the morning, instead of eating or grabbing your coffee or looking at your phone or any of that shit, checking emails, Instagram, none of it. Simply just get out of bed, throw some headphones on, or sit in silence and meditate. Just try it. You will fail and it will suck for a little while because you're literally fighting yourself. But after you get over those little humps, man, and it gets better every time. It gets better and easier, and the fog just clears. And all of a sudden, one day, you're sitting there in complete presence. It's clear, it's crystal clear what you need to do on your path. When that day happens, it could be a week, it could be tomorrow. I've had clients that literally the day that they meditated had insane results, crazy experiences, extremely mystical, just wacky experiences. And it blew them away and took them to another level. When you get there, then what do? Your nutrition, your fitness, or your passion in life. Just pick one or more. If you're feeling like you're up to it, pick more. Start making a smoothie. Start eating more vegetables. Go on a long walk. Baby step your way into true fitness and nutrition, routines, habits that are daily and you can use forever. Long lasting for life. Not quick fix diet bullshit. The long term. That's what we want to do here. The long term success that you can do for you on your journey every damn day. That, my friend, is what's beyond no FAP. It is not semen retention. It is not. That comes later. And it is an excellent, useful tool that we as men can use on our journey. And I always preach that it is badass. There are pitfalls, of course. But beyond no FAP is where the journey begins. Check out the link in the description. There are some cool workshops and free stuff for you to begin your journey. Check them out. Thank you for watching, man. I hope this video was valuable to you, that you can take on your journey and put into play and actually make progress and live a happy, fulfilling, fucking kick-ass life. Because that's what we do over here, man. For the long term. Like the video, man. Share it with a friend. I'll see you in the next one.